Why is my Toshiba AC light blinking? Easy fix. A blinking light on a Toshiba air conditioner often indicates a problem that needs attention. It could be something simple like a dirty filter or a more serious issue like a refrigerant leak or electrical problem. First, try cleaning the air filter and checking for any obstructions around the unit. If the blinking persists, it's best to consult the user manual or contact a qualified technician for diagnosis and repair. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Check the simple stuff. Dirty air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow, causing the unit to overheat and triggering the blinking light. Clean or replace the filter as needed. Obstructions. Make sure nothing is blocking the airflow to the indoor or outdoor units. Thermostat settings. Double-check that the thermostat is set correctly and the unit is turned on. Investigate further if blinking continues. Electrical issues. A tripped breaker or faulty wiring can also cause the light to blink. Check your circuit breaker box. Refrigerant leak. Low refrigerant levels can lead to blinking lights. This requires professional attention. Compressor problems. Issues with the compressor, such as overheating or malfunction, can also trigger the blinking light. Other potential issues, faulty capacitors, control board problems, or even remote control issues can be the culprit. When to call a professional. If you've tried the basic troubleshooting steps and the light is still blinking, it's best to call a qualified technician. Toshiba air conditioners can have specific error codes indicated by the blinking light. A technician can diagnose and repair these. Attempting to fix more complex electrical or refrigerant issues yourself can be dangerous and may void your warranty.